Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Magic Eden. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Magic Eden recently broke down the support of an ascending triangle, and this was my last video that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakdown from this triangle, by the way, this is a 1 hour time frame chart, you can see that we had a very big drop. If I place this measurement tool from here after the breakdown up till this low, then you can see that so far it has dropped almost 30%. And during this drop on a 4 hour time frame chart, Magic Eden has also broken down this rising wedge pattern as well. You can see that it was nicely moving to the upside inside this wedge and it was forming higher highs and higher lows. But now after breaking down the support of this wedge, the trend is now getting reversed from the uptrend to the downside. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakdown. And I would also like to show you another formation of a down channel. You can see that here we have found the resistance and the support of the channel, and now the price has started moving to the downside inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, and now the price is again getting rejected by the resistance of the channel. And at the same time, you can see that stochastic has once again entered the oversold zone on this 4 hour time frame chart, and RSI is also about to enter the oversold zone. That is very close to the oversold zone right now. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Lista, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 29th of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Magic Eden, and this is the 1 hour time frame chart. And in my earlier video, I was showing you that this breakdown from this ascending triangle that the price and broke down this 1 hour time frame chart. And the technical target for this breakdown that I was telling you was here. That was approximately at $4.58, but you can see that the price line has drop more than that. And this, by the way, almost 30% drop. And if I, in fact, place this measurement tool from this high when it was last time testing the resistance of the triangle up till this low, then it is almost 36.4% drop, a quite big drop we have. And while moving to the downside on a bigger time frame, on a 4 hour time frame chart, the price line has also broken down this very long-term rising wedge pattern as well. That was, in fact, a bearish bias move, but while moving inside this wedge, you can see that we 2 times we had a very big spike. Like first spike we had here up to $30, and we had another very big spike up to $12. But both times the price could not continue this move to the upside. This time, the first spike, you can see that the price was not able to, in fact, break out the resistance. Again, the candlestick was closed below the support, below the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And the next time when we had this spike up to $12, the price for a while broke it down, but broke it out. But while retesting the previous resistance, the wedges support the price and could not save this level and re-entered the same wedge. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from the rising wedge pattern was here. That was approximately at $8.65, and you can see that the price and moved beyond that. Now, recently, we have broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern, but while moving to the downside, the price has formed a down channel. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. Very nicely, it is moving to the downside inside this channel. And like the previous pattern, this rising wedge pattern was a bearish bias move. This down channel is a bullish bias move, but we don't know how far the pricing can move down inside this channel, but eventually it can break it out. For example, if the price line of Magic Eden breaks down this next support of $3.30, then it can drop down to the next support here while moving inside this down channel to this support of $2.57. That was previously breaking at a support here. In fact, this is a complete support zone from $2.57 to $2.33. That was previously breaking as a support zone here, and again, it can work as a strong support zone for the price line of Magic Eden. That will be, by the way, a key support zone for Magic Eden. And for example, if the pricing breaks out this channel, then eventually there is a probability that the pricing can break it out. One technical target will be here at the top of this channel. That will be approximately at $5.50. This was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.